Hello and welcome to the InformIT Video Download Store. If you point your browser to www.informit.com/video, you'll be looking at the page that you see in front of you now. This is our training videos homepage. And as you can see, we've got our videos separated into three broad categories. There are networking and certification videos. There are programming, web development, operating system, and home and office computing videos. And then we have a separate set of Flash-based web development videos. I'm going to drill down into the programming web development videos. And what you see is, well, this page. And as you can see, we've got a number of titles featured. We've got our Programming in Objective-C 2.0 library featured. Obviously, this is for iPhone developers. We've got our C# 2008 Fundamentals featured. This is for .NET developers. Java Fundamentals. This is for Java developers. CSS Fundamentals. This is actually a CSS video that's really aimed at the programming market, not the web design market. So this is for web developers. But in addition to programming language topics, we cover topics that are very important to desktop users. For instance, we have a whole library on using Microsoft Windows 7. We have another library on developing with Visual Basic for applications. And if you scroll down further, you see some of the other topics we have covered. We have SQL. We have a library on Joomla, which is a very popular content management system used on many websites, and so forth. In fact, we have over 200 hours of expert video available on the InformIT Video Download Store. And what's important to understand about this video is the instructors are not only expert trainers, but every one of them are best-selling authors of the imprints of Pearson Education. So these include Addison-wesley, Prentice Hall, Sam's Q, Cisco Press, and others. If you drill down into a specific library, for instance here we're looking at the C# Fundamentals library, you can see right away that as a consumer you have two broad options. You can purchase the entire course. In this case it's 15 lessons, which represent over 15 hours of training. You can purchase the entire course for $9.99 on DVD. You can also purchase it as a download. But even better than that, you can purchase individual lessons. So let's say, for instance, that you're a Java developer and you're familiar with the basics of C#, so you don't really need to watch a video that covers, elementary concepts like control structures, but you really want to understand some of the deeper concepts in C#. Like, for instance, maybe you want to understand polymorphism. Well, you can go to the InformIT Video Download Store, and for $9.99 you can download a 38-minute and 50-second video on polymorphism in C#. So again, what's special about the InformIT Video Download Store is you can purchase complete videos or individual lessons. And the prices range from $2.99 for short lessons to $4.99 for medium-length lessons to $9.99 for longer lessons. Now, every lesson itself begins with an introduction, so you can listen to the author describe to you what's in the lesson by clicking on the View Example link associated with every lesson. So in this particular case, Paul Deitel is about to explain to you what's covered in Lesson 5 of the C# video. And more important than that, each complete library has its own separate introduction. So if you click on the library link, you'll have the author describe to you exactly what's covered in the course, the entire 15 hours in this case. And so therefore, it's easy to find out what's covered in the course and which lesson meets your learning needs. Well, I think that's about it. Again, I want to thank you for joining me here. This is the InformIT Video Download Store. It's at www.informit.com/video. Have a look, and I think you're going to like what you see. Thank you. Bye.